So yeah, the inner wristband and the inner thumb band are both very tight. Yeah. But not as bad as yours were. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna have to come back to this thumb and do some pretty serious work on that. But I'm gonna have a little diagnosis. We'll have a feel of your belly, big breath. And again. Got some pretty deep tension in here as well. So that makes me wonder what's going on with our big toe. And it doesn't want to move. And it's pulled over. Notice how it's curling this way? That's going to create that tension on that side. Yeah. Good breathing. And a lot of, yeah, so none of our toes are moving. Oh, that one went. But they're very tight. Okay, so even the back of the toes, and you can see again toe curling under, but definitely feeling at the very back of the so then I think, okay, well, let's have a feel of this arm. The areas that are good to diagnose are actually close to the shoulder and close to the knee because the muscles are being smaller, you know, and so you can really easily feel like around here. You go, oh yeah, that's tight, right around all to here. Whereas in the middle, it's a little bit, especially if you got somebody with a lot of fat on their arm, it's very hard to feel what's going on in here. But through here, you can even bring the arm up like this. You can feel all the different bands as they're coming through here. I'll give that one a good 9 out of 10 for tightness. She's kind of got like a mild version of what you've got in your shoulders. Yeah. But I think her feet are the worst. Yeah, I actually think, notice how you've got this quite a severe kind of turning inward of the big toe. You know, that makes me think, I didn't really feel the belly on this side, but it makes me think that the big toe belly tension is going to be strong. One way we can access that better is to bring the leg up like this as well, and then we can move the leg down and then go into here. Yeah, and that whole band feels tight. Into here. So, yeah. We'll just ease off our pressure a little bit for her. Just a little bit, yeah.
I had a car accident 2 months ago,
2 months ago?
and I have a L5 broken,
Oh no.
and I was all bruised up here from the seatbelt,
Oh,
and I still have that left side. This arm goes to sleep quite a bit,
yeah.
but then I do work on people a lot lymphatically, so this gets so painful here and here, so then he has to work it off for me to be able to. It's been better than it was before.
Yeah.
It just, and then when I'm stressed or something, I get this. It gets tight on that side, but I get this headache that's like this.
Yep.
And that gets so tight.
Yeah. So that's all of this, like, coming in through here.
Right there.
Yeah. Yeah. And it's, your jaw is like really clenched as well. So that's going to be mostly coming from this thumb. But it can be coming from the wrist because you've got two bands coming up. You've got the inner thumb band. Sorry, outer thumb band.
Outer is more.
And
That's what I feel.
yeah, and the outer wrist band, and they're both tight. Yeah. So that's going to then increase the tension in your jaw and cause headaches. So that's going to then come. You can see that joint's not got great movement there. Neither does this one. It's a very small range of motion. So, you know, just a case of, same with most of you guys, it's like all of your fingers and toes need work, you know? It's just, where do we start? Well, probably up to the person, you know? Like if you've got a particular, like if we got half an hour or something, or
Well,
just
that bothers me all the time. Like even right now, I'm laying here, but I'm hurting. It's like this one like spot that's hot.
like in here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if anything, just.
I'm thinking more that's going to be coming from around the little finger side or